Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In this session, I'm going to explain how we can assign shift element entry to the employee. So let's move on to the application where we are going to perform this task. On the home page, first let's see the element which we are going to assign to the employee. So under the payroll, we have elements here. Let's search for the element night shift standard earning from the US legislative data group. Okay. So this is the standard earning. We are going to assign the employee. Let's see the details of this element. So here you can see under the input value, we have to give the hours and rate because under the element creation calculation rule, we select the hours multiply rate. So here let's check the element eligibility for this employee. Sorry, for this element. And here you can change the periodicity into hourly by clicking on the edit option and also give the default rate. Okay, let's change the default rate here. Let's give 0.9 and then submit. So let's move on to the person management option where we are going to attach this element to the employee. So Brown Elizabeth is a director of the executive department whom we are going to assign this element. Let's search for her. Click on the action button, then payroll, and after that element entries. So here just click on the plus icon and click on the element name and then click on the search option. Here give the night shift search. This is the element. And then if you want to override entry, then enable it and then continue. Okay, so this is the rate we provide under the element eligibility input value. And let's submit this element and next we perform the payroll process for this employee. Let's move on to the home page. And just scroll down, click on the show more option and find the quick pay. Okay, so here simplified quick pay option. Here search for the Brown Elizabeth. Then let's open this. So this is the element we assign to the employee. Let's edit some information of this element. Like let's set the hours here for 6 hours and the rate is or already we define under the element eligibility input value. So let's submit this. And you can see here the hours. Okay, so let's submit this process and see the result of this employee. Okay, so it's processing now. Let's wait for some time. and then we see the result of the calculation. Okay, so it's almost completed. Let's wait for just few minutes and then we check the statements of earning. Okay, so this is the statement of earning you can see here. That just wait. Okay, so this is the earning. You can see here the allowance. Standard earning we give the employee under the element entries here. Okay, you can also check the employee deduction here, the Medicare, employee tax, voluntary, plain. So there's all employee tax deduction here under the balance sheet of employee tax deduction. And if you want to see other details of this employer's earnings, so let's click on the show detail option. Okay, so it's take some time to load. Okay, so this is the element we associate to the employee. So, and this is the employee tax deduction and the employer contribution. And here under this, you can see the calculation of the night shift earning. Okay, so you can see here the calculation. So this is the easiest way to understand how to assign the standard earning to the employee and run the payroll process. So I hope you understand this process. Thank you so much for watching the video.